Hala!
Kayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lumang hinirang, tuyang ka ng pag-ibig, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisingin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mo bukaw, may dinatang tulak at awit sa patlayang minamahal. Ang bisag ng wataran mo'y tanong ay narating, ang bituin at karamyang kailan ka may di maghihiling. Tumalang araw ng walang ibang sinang, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pagkay ng langit, namamalay ng dahil sa'yo.
Hala!
I've always liked to play with fire. Fire.
Welcome to Hashtag Coffee, where every sip and every bite is a harmonious blend of flavors, from appetizers and pasta to refreshing drinks and coffee. There's something for everyone. Located in Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City, right in front of the Batangas provincial capital, Hashtag Coffee is the perfect place to unwind and let the rhythm of life slow down. Experience it for yourself, where every moment is filled with bold flavors and cozy ambience. Visit Hashtag Coffee today and let the harmony of flavors become your new favorite melody. J Mechanics Season 2 would like to thank its event sponsors for this episode. Hashtag Coffee Capital Site, RGE Construction and Supply Incorporated. We would also like to thank our partner school organizations. Junior Marketing Association Arasoft Nasugbu Chapter, Junior Executive Marketing Management Association PUP San Pedro Campus. Junior Marketing Association LPU Laguna. Junior Marketing Association NU Lipa. Junior Marketing Association Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines PUP Santa Rosa. Mindanao State University Main Campus Junior Entrepreneurship and Marketing Association. Bestlink College of the Philippines Junior Marketing Association. And special thanks to Funnel Goddess and Delight Digital Studios.
Hello Marketistas, good morning and welcome to this brand new season of J Macchiatox. Today, we open another exciting journey through the vibrant world of marketing as we reflect on the highlights of the Season 1. J Macchiatox was born out of a simple yet powerful idea of the marketing students of LPU Batangas. First, they wanted to create a space where passionate individuals could come together to learn, share, and grow. Throughout the first season, we engaged with diverse topics that not only educated us, but also inspired us to think differently about marketing. From the fundamentals of digital marketing to the nuances of branding and consumer behavior, up to their challenges of being a student leader during their college days, we explored them all. J Macchiatox has taught us that the key to thriving in this dynamic landscape and dynamic market lies in continuous learning and collaboration. So as we move forward, let us carry the spirit of curiosity and creativity with us. Let us use the knowledge we have gained to inspire others and challenge the status quo. Together, we can create impactful marketing strategies that resonate the audiences and with audiences around the world. Before I end these opening remarks, I would like to thank the Junior Marketing Association of LPU Batangas, our dear officers who are actually behind the success of J Macchiatox Season 1, and we are already looking forward to the success of J Macchiatox Season 2. So thank you for being part of this journey, and let us continue to explore, learn, and grow together. Good morning.
So before we start our video, let us thank our official partner, #Coffee Capital Branch.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Magandang araw, Marketistas! Welcome to J Macchiatox Season 2, where every sip comes with a story. And I'm your host, Via. Together with me,
I'm Ria. I'm Baby.
I'm Clyde. So for today's episode, we're gonna dive into the journeys of inspiring leaders who have made their mark in both academics and leadership. Today, we have a very special guest, someone who truly embodies excellence.
That's right. So, joining us, Miss Ashley Tinla, the former president of LPU Batangas Junior Marketing Association, and a true role model in the student leadership scene. So, she didn't just lead. She excelled, graduating cum laude with multiple high recognitions, all while balancing various organization affiliations.
So her journey is a testament to hard work, passion, and resilience. So get ready to be inspired as we uncover the story behind the scenes and how she managed to lead, achieve, and thrive all at the same time.
Ate Ashley, welcome to the podcast. We are so excited to have you here. Thank you.
Yes! So, welcome po to J Talks. So, from season 1 na kayo po yung nag-lead. So, for season 2 kayo na yung speaker. Magandang transition on sa ating journey. Yes. So, syempre, bago tayo dumiretso sa mabibigat na topics, kamusta ka muna?
So,
Nag-relax?
Yes. Oh, wait lang. So, lately, I've been busy, alam niyo yan. Lagi naman akong busy, hindi ako nawawala ng mga gawain. Pero right now, kung i-compare ko sa student life ko, mas chill kasi mas focus na ako ngayon sa life ko and without extracurricular activities ng mga events, alam niyo yan. So, yun.
So, ano po yung parang biggest adjustment na hinarap mo after leaving the university?
Biggest adjustment, I would say na I've been in my house for 1 month lang. As in, nakastay lang ako sa house ko for 1 month and I have lots of free time. And hindi ako sanay, hinahanap ko talaga yung passion, yung dedication ko na maghanap ng task or organizations na masalihan lang para lang may magawa ako. Pero yon, after 1 month of being in the house lang, nag-chill lang, nag-Netflix, nag-TikTok, ayan, I was able to find my path right now, and I can say na it's really hard after graduation.
Yeah.
So, talagang napakagandang pakinggan, nakaka-inspire. So, magsimula muna po tayo simula ulit. Looking back at your college years, paano niyo po nasimulan yung leadership journey niyo, and was it something like you've always wanted, or was there a specific moment na may nag-push sa'yo para maging student leader?
So, I didn't expect myself to be a student leader kasi talagang mas focus lang ako sa ACADS ko before. So, when I was in 3rd year, doon lang ako kumbaga nagkaroon ng passion na sige, sumali tayo sa orgs. Kasi ang dami nagchat-chat sa akin, katulad natin Nika, ayan, ni Ate Liza, na mag-join ka naman sa JMA. Hindi lang sa JMA, of course, sa CBA Council din na mag-join kasi nga they can see na yung ACADS ko is good naman for organizations. And doon na-drive yung passion ko na, ay, pwede pala ako maging leader. Kasi even when I was still in high school, talagang mahihain ako. As in, super mahihain ako na hindi ako lumalabas ng classroom na laging ako nandun. Hindi ako sumasali sa mga extracurricular activities. And nung college, doon ako nag-improve kasi bigla akong lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko. And I can say na as a student leader, it was a really hard journey for me kasi starting from a follower, a good follower, tapos biglang magta-transition ako as a good leader, like, wait lang, parang hindi ko ata kaya to, ganun. So, ayun, I can say that as a student leader, it was a really difficult journey, but along the way, you will learn a lot from it and also meet lots of people.
Yes.
It's nakaka-inspire kasi sometimes really in life, there are plans or mga bagay na nangyayari na hindi naman natin pinaplano na mangyari talaga. Tapos yun pa pala yung mag-grow.
Yeah.
Doon tayo mas magiging improved as a person. Ayan. So sabi nga nila, leadership is not just about the title, but about influence and impact. And in your journey, what was the biggest leadership challenge that you've experienced?
Ayan. Biggest leadership challenge. Ang hirap pumili kasi madami talaga. Pero alam yan ng lahat ng members ko and officers ko before na una sa lahat, ang biggest challenge talaga is wala kang tulog, wala kang pahinga. Every day, napupuyat ako. Every day, ang tulog ko 2 hours lang. Alam nila yan. Every time. Minsan, 12 a.m., magchat-chat si Nabia, may tatanong. Minsan, si Nakim nagtatanong din ng mga 12 a.m. Ang bilis ko daw sumagot, ang bilis ko mag-reply. Kasi yung pala, hindi ako natutulog. Gumagawa ako ng mga paperworks ng orgs. And I could say na yun yung talagang biggest challenge ko kasi na-challenge talaga yung mental health ko dito sa pagiging leader. As a leader, kailangan talaga matatag ka, hindi lang physically but also mentally.
Yeah.
Kasi yung mental health natin ang kalaban natin dito, di ba? So, yun.
Napaka-mentally taxing talaga ng magiging leader.
Ayan, mapapahigot na lang talaga.
Yes. Chill mo. Chill.
So, di ba po ang leadership, it's not about the position only po. Siyempre po meron pong parang kailangan niyo po magbigay ng inspiration po sa iba. So, throughout your journey po, meron po ba kayong naging role model po?
Ay, role model. Yeah.
Sino yan? Banggitin natin yan.
Alam ba ka sabihin? Ayan. So, nabanggit ko rin po nung speech ko nung last AOE, Awards of Excellence. Madami sila, as in madami. Hindi lang yung mga officers ko ang role models ko. Of course, as a leader, hindi lang sarili mo dapat ang maging leader. Dapat yung mga officers mo, you should also consider them as your leaders. Pero yung pinaka-role model ko, I would say it's Sir Don. Kasi I've been with Sir Don for 2 years, 3rd year and 4th year. Kasi nag-on-the-job training din ako sa SLEA office and he was there with me. So, during my OJT days, I can say na si Sir Don, tahimik lang yan. Pero alam niyo naman, pag may tinanong kayo dyan, boom! Ang hirap i-explain, pero Sir Don taught me a lot when it comes to the marketing industry. Hindi lang yung mga marketing learning sa school marketing outside the school din. Kasi nakasama din ako sa mga enrollment campaigns ng school natin and yun, doon ako natuto na ay, ganito pala yung marketing sa labas ng school, na ganito pala yung fulfillment and enjoyment kapag nakikita mo yung mga bata, mga estudyante na nakikita mong kumukuha ng mga flyers, yung mga marketing props natin. And I could say na Sir Don really taught me not just as a student but also as a student leader. Kasi alam naman natin na siya yung advisor natin for how many years na sa org. And I believe na he's always fulfilling his duty as our advisor.
Yes.
Shout out, sir.
Ay, Sir Don!
Sana yung kayo nasamid.
So, syempre, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan natin sa leadership, so, mahalaga rin talaga na malaki yung support system mo. So, very thankful talaga tayo kay Sir Don, kay Sir Jem, and sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa JMA. So, thank you so much po sa pag-support sa org namin. So, ayun, speaking of academics, so, isa ka rin achiever. Paano mo nababalanse ang pagiging student leader at pagiging top student? Kasi nga, di ba, for many students, ang hirap pagsabayin ng org works, tapos leadership roles, tapos knowing na student ka muna before naging leader. So, ano po yung parang strategies or study habits na parang effective sa inyo, na napapagsabay niyo yung both?
So, first of all, disclaimer, wag kayong gagaya sa akin. Ay, chagat lang. So, yung study habit ko kasi as a student before, nung wala pa yung org, mag-aaral a day before the exam, a week before the exam, nag-aaral na ako, ganyan. Tapos nung nag-3rd year na ako, biglang, may mga events, may mga extracurricular activities, tapos biglang may exam, mga ilang days pala after ng event. So, during those days pala, I wasn't able to study a week before. Minsan nga, 4 hours before the exam, nag-akala ko, subject yun ni Sir Don, I'm so sorry, Sir Don!
So, super proud.
Ayan. So, yung study habit ko ay, tutulog ako sa gabi, tapos sa madaling araw ako mag-aaral, tapos nung umaga na yun, exam na. So, kumbaga, wala talaga akong tulog ng ayos. So, ang tulog ko lang yun is maabot ng 2 hours, 3 hours yun. So, yun yung effective study habit for me. Pero I can say na, huwag kayong gagaya sa akin nga, huwag kayong gagaya. Pero, I would say na dapat masipag kayo. Mag-aral kayo a week before the exam. Or, kung may mga org works man, isingit niyo pa rin yung academics. Hindi dapat mawala yung academics. Kasi, as a student leader and as a student, you should know how to balance your academics and extracurricular activities. Ayun lang.
Yes.
That's a great tip. So, dapat kailangan mo mabalance yung ACADS mo, so yung mga extracurricular.
Yes.
Pero syempre, kahit gano'n tayo ka-organize, may mga moments na talagang mafe-feel natin yung na-overwhelm tayo, gano'n. Did you ever feel that way po? And kung oo, paano mo na-overcome yung mga pressure and stress?
Yes.
Yes.
I feel so overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed.
Yes. Super overwhelming maging student leader kasi aside from academics nga, super daming gawain, as in super daming paperworks, knowing na ako yung pinaka nilo-look up to ng organization. It was a really hard thing for me kasi hindi ako sanay mag-lead. So, I would, my bad habit as a leader was taking all the responsibilities of my officers. Ayun yung pinaka-bad habit ko. Na minsan na napupunagin ng mga officers ko na, at wala ba kaming gagawin, wala ba kaming ganda. Magugulat na lang sila tapos na kasi nagawa ko na siya. So, paano ko na-handle yung stress? Ang ginawa ko is always ako nasa coffee shop. Ayan, kung makikita niyo yung mga IG story ko kung saan coffee shop ako pumupunta, sa mga Starbucks, katulad ng, #coffee, may bago na ako pupuntahan ngayon. #coffee, ayan. Lagi ako nasa mga coffee shops. Tapos sa coffee shops, doon din ako nagagawa ng paperworks. Kasi kumbaga, since wala ako sa bahay, mas nadidistract ako sa mga tao-tao, di ba? Kapag nasa coffee shop ko, parang, ay, ang saya naman, nakalaptop ako, tapos tinitingnan ako kasi. Kasi mukha ko aesthetic dito nag-laptop, ayan. Tapos may kape pang 20, o ayan, lakihan natin 20. Tapos bitingin ako ng mga tao. Tapos sabi, sipag naman ang batang to. So yun, yung kumbaga, yun yung nagiging coping mechanism ko na, hala, sipag ko daw, sige.
Motivate doon lahat.
Tsaka nagbayad ka eh, syempre.
Sulit mo, 5 hours!
Kaya diba, pag nagko-coffee shop, may nakikita ka rin gumagawa. So parang, sige, sabay kami, may ginagawa din siya.
This is a competition.
Hindi lang ako stress dito.
Okay. So, and speaking naman of your achievements, syempre with hard work comes success. Ano yung pinaka-memorable milestone mo so far or an award na na-achieve mo na talagang this is the fruit of my hard work and labor?
Ayan, so I know na lately, sunod-sunod yung mga achievements ko and I'm really grateful for that. Pero yung pinaka-memorable na achievement na nakuha ko last year pala, 2024, was the Awards of Excellence Top 1 sa Terra H. Laurel Outstanding Student. So, it was a really memorable award for me dahil, first of all, may trophy ako. Ang laki! Ang laki niya, as in, super nakakatuwa. Tapos nakalagay doon, Pinlock, Isabel. Ayun, it was really fulfilling. Kasi, nung mga bandang nag-a-announce ng mga top 10, top 9, pauli-uli pa ako. Pauli-uli ako ng upuan. Lumilipat ako sa amin, lumilipat ako sa JMA kasi pipicture. Tapos hanggang sa dumating na yung top 5, sabi ko, Sir Don, ba't di ba ako natatawa? Ganon, nagsachat na ako sa GC na ang tagal ko naman umakyat kasi nga magpipicture kami yung buong board. Tapos biglang mga top tagay, kinakabahan na ako, sabi ko, shit, ba't ako na dito? Ayun, and then, nung in-announce naman yung sa top 2, which is, ayun nga, umiyak na ako. Nag-burst na ako doon kasi hindi ko talaga na-expect na magiging top 1 ako kasi isang hamak na marketing student lang naman ako na pauli-uli ng campus from Riverside to main campus. Yeah. Tapos biglang magiging, top 1. So, it was a really remarkable achievement for me. Not just for me, of course, dahil ito din ay award ng buong board, buong marketing. So, yeah.
So, minsan po, di ba, hindi lang sarili natin pong standards yun pong nakaka-pressure, kundi meron din pong expectations from other people. So, paano niyo po na-handle yung ganun pressure?
So, first of all, hindi ko talaga siya inisip. Alam ko madami nag-expect sa akin na, top 1 niya, so dapat may ganon, may ganyan, may ganon. Pero hindi ko siya inisip kasi I'm only battling with myself. I only have myself here, so why would I compete with others? Tapos, I know na other people would see me as a competition, but especially ng Awards of Excellence, kasi di ba top 10 lang kami, top 10 students, tapos dun madedetermine kung sino yung mga magagaling talagang students, and nung makapasok lang ako sa top 10, that was a really cool feeling award already. That was such a remarkable award. So, based sa question mo, I would say na you should work hard in silence and let your success be the noise. Di ba?
Yes!
Powerful!
Powerful! Alright, Ate Ash, ready ka na ba?
Hindi!
Let's make things more exciting. We have a fast talk segment.
Yes.
So, pipili ka ng sagot, bawal ang explain. Ay, sige.
Okay, ready? Kinakabahan siya.
Kinakabahan ako. Sinamahan pa ako dito kaysa sa mission ko. Sige, go.
So, for the first one, morning grind or night hustle?
Night hustle.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Yeah.
Work hard or work smart?
Work hard.
Big risk or safe moves?
Ano ba yun?
Big risk or safe moves?
Big risk.
Leading a team or working solo?
Working solo, sorry.
Meetings or field work?
Field work.
Success with stress or peace with slow progress?
Success with stress.
1 hour of sleep or 1 day without coffee?
1 hour. 1 hour of sleep.
So if you could describe your journey in one word, what would it be?
Na pressure. Hard.
Oh, so that was so much fun.
Wow.
Yay! Thank you for playing along, Ate Ash. Talagang we definitely got to know you in a whole new way.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. And thank you, Hashtag Coffee.
Thank you, Hashtag, for partnering with us. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Nika.
Thank you, Ate Nika. At para naman sa ating mga students na nangangarap na maging successful sa academics like Ate Ash, at sa mga leadership, syempre, ano pong advice ang mabibigay nyo? Mayroon bang mindset, habit, or principle na dapat nilang i-develop para habang nasa school sila?
So, I would say, you should take your time and take it easy. Isa-isahin nyo lang. Kasi, alam naman natin na although yung time natin is limited sa university and sa life, we should always take our time, take it easy. Kasi, while taking it easy, you will find a path there na magugulat ka na lang na, ay, ito pala yung path na pinapatake sa akin ni Lord na we should always we should also always celebrate our small wins. Kahit gaano man kaliit or kalakihan, always celebrate it, even with a cup of coffee. Ayan. Yes. Always reward yourself for every achievement you have overcome. And I would also say na, don't rush. Don't rush anything. As in, don't rush. Matulog kayo, guys. Yes. Ayan talaga, matulog kayo, guys. Stay healthy.
So yun, ate, additional question lang. Kung babalikan mo ang journey mo as a student leader, may mga bagay ka bang gustong gawin differently? Bakit? Ayan.
Magandang tanong yan, actually.
Yes.
Kasi nabanggit ko na rin siya kanina na as a student leader, I'm always alone. Mag-isa kong ginagawa yung mga responsibilities and tasks. And kung babalik ako as a student leader, I would allot the task to each of my officers and give them the responsibilities, the task for them to learn as well. Hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa organization din. And what else? Kung babalik din ako as a student leader, I would like myself to rest more.
Yeah.
Yes, deserve ang rest. Kasi since na-allot ko na yung mga responsibilities sa officers ko, makakatulog na ako syempre. Ayun.
2 hours.
Yes. And lastly, as kung magiging student leader ulit ako, sana pala dinamihan ko pa yung mga activities ng organizations. Kasi syempre as a student, ang hirap din naman pagbalansehin lagi ng mga tasks. So, I think the organization would have done better if there were lots of activities pa every month for the marketeestas. Ayun na.
Yes naman. So, from leadership challenges to academic achievements, talagang nakaka-inspire yung story mo, Ate Ash, lalo na kami naging under mo. So, I'm sure our listeners have learned a lot from your experiences.
And to everyone listening, we hope that Miss Ashley's journey and story has motivated you to keep pushing forward. And whether you're a student leader, an aspiring achiever, or even any student really, sana ma-figure out nyo yung mga bagay-bagay on your own. And always remember that success is not a journey. Wait, let me reiterate that. Success is a journey, not a race.
Yeah, that's right. It's really about progress, not perfection. So keep striving, learning, and embracing every challenge as an opportunity.
So, and that wraps up another inspiring episode of J Macyatak Season 2, where every sip comes with a story.
So, ayun, maraming salamat, Miss Ashley. So,
Yeah.
for sharing your leadership journey.
A big thank you to all our listeners as well. And this has been
This has been J Macyatak's Until next time, Marketistas.
Bye!
Welcome to Hashtag Coffee, where every sip and every bite is a harmonious blend of flavors. From appetizers and pasta to refreshing drinks and coffee, there's something for everyone. Located in Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City, right in front of the Batangas provincial capital. Hashtag Coffee is the perfect place to unwind and let the rhythm of life slow down. Experience it for yourself, where every moment is filled with bold flavors and cozy ambience. Visit Hashtag Coffee today and let the harmony of flavors become your new favorite melody. J Mechanics Season 2 would like to thank its event sponsors for this episode. Hashtag Coffee Capital Site, RGE Construction and Supply Incorporated. We would also like to thank our partner school organizations: Junior Marketing Association Arasoft Nasugbu Chapter, Junior Executive Marketing Management Association PUP San Pedro Campus, Junior Marketing Association LPU Laguna, Junior Marketing Associate PAP, Junior Marketing Association Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa, Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines PUP Santa Rosa, Mindanao State University Main Campus Junior Entrepreneurship and Marketing Association, Bestlink College of the Philippines Junior Marketing Association. And special thanks to Funnel Goddess and Delight Digital Studios.
What? Hello? Hello, wag po kayong aalis kasi meron pa tayong raffle. So before that, let's check muna kung nandito yung iba nating mga partner schools. So please comment po kung ano yung partner schools nyo. Or balay nyo, kayo na yung mananalo sa ating raffle. Please comment. Shoutout nga pala sa ating PR team. Kasi syempre, thank you. Kasi kung wala kayo, wala tayong J Macchiatox for today. Yeah. So hi po pala kay Sir Don and Sir Jem if you're watching. And thank you po sa ating speaker, which is Ate Ashley, yung former president ng LPUB JMA. Thank you, Ate Ash. Yeah. Sana. Hello po kay King. Shout out na. So, let's see if sinong mananalo sa ating first raffle. Malay nyo, kayo na manalo ng iPhone. So, once manalo kayo, please comment lang kung ano yung name nyo and kung ano yung partner schools. Tapos, use lang the hashtag ng JMacchiatox na nasa comment section. Yes, so let's start. I think, ready na ba? Nandito pa ba ang ating mga partner schools? Sana nasa raffle pangalan ko, baka di pala ako kasali. So, make sure na naka-register ka. So, kasi doon kami magbe-base ng mga kasali sa raffle. So, dapat naka-register kayo. So, lahat na naka-register sa ating podcast series, yon kasali siya sa raffle automatically. So, I think let's start. I think let's start. Oh, hello sa mga taga Mindanao State University, Maine. Thank you for joining our episode today. 2 a.m. kanina lang ako naka-register. At least umabot. So yan, once na nanalo kayo, please comment your name, your schools, and use the hashtags na nasa comment section. Okay, let's start na. I will click na po. Oh, shit. Nandito ba si Lorraine Di Maunahan? As ang nanalo ng ating iPhone 15? Nandito po ba si Lorraine Di Maunahan? Please comment your name, your school, and use the hashtag below for our J Macchiatox. Hello, nandito po ba si Lorraine? Hello, Lorraine. Shoutout sa'yo. Nandito ka ba? So I think wala yata si Lorraine, or let's wait pa for a minute. So CJ, standby ka lang dyan. Malay mo, ikaw na yung next na mananalo. I think wala na si Lorraine. So sorry Lorraine. I think hindi ka pinalad. Yeah. Yari ka randang. Nanalo ka ba, Yari? Parang wala pa namang lumalabas na name. So, let's pick na another winner. Okay, rolling na ang ating wheel. Sino kaya ang next na mananalo? Oh my God. Nandito ka ba? Makasimbil? Makasimbil Izha? Are you here? Please comment your name and your school. Sige, let's wait for a few minutes if talagang nandito siya. Kasi sayang naman yung iPhone 15. Are you here ba? Si Lorraine! So, shoutout daw po kay Althea Marundan. So, hello Althea. Sana nga manalo ka na. Oh, so nandun pala si Lorraine. Hindi ko lang siya nakita sa meeting. So, yeah. So, ang ating first raffle winner is Miss Lorraine Di Maunahan. So, yon, comment mo lang yung name mo, your school, and please message yung LPU with Jema page para doon namin ibibigay kung ano yung prices mo. Mm-mm. So, for our raffle winners, please comment lang po your name, your school, use the hashtags below. Then, once na-claim na nandito ka, please message yung JMA page para doon namin mabibigay kung anong prices mo. State lang dun sa message yung name mo, yung school mo, and also your GCash number. So, ayun. So, hello po sa Bestlink College of the Philippines as our partner school. Thank you for joining our episode today. I think wala si Sir Makasindil. So, let's pick another raffle winner. So, standby lang po kayo dyan. Hello, yon. Ang ating next raffle winner, our second raffle winner is si Miss Sheila May Mendoza. Miss Sheila, if you're here, please comment your name, your partner school, and use the hashtags below. Miss Sheila, are you here? Next raffle winner, our second raffle winner is Miss Sheila May Mendoza. Miss Sheila, if you're here. So let's wait lang for a few minutes. Kasi baka naglag lang yung phone or magka-problem lang sa connection pero nandito talaga siya. Miss Sheila, are you here? We are waiting for you. So, shoutout muna kay CJ kasi gustong-gusto niya talagang manalo sa raffle. Pagdasal natin na ikaw na yung next na mananalo ng iPhone. We'll see. So, shoutout po sa lahat ng ating GMA officers na nag-engage talaga sa ating Facebook live stream. So, thank you so much for attending today's episode and sana makita namin kayo sa mga future episodes pa natin for GMA Talks. So, meron pa tayong at least 2 episodes and 1 special episode. So, shoutout po sa lahat ng ating GMA officers na nag-engage talaga sa ating Facebook live stream. Miss Sheila, are you here? I think wala dito si Miss Sheila Mendoza. So, let's pick another raffle winner. So, sorry, Miss Sheila. So, let's see. So, pangalawang winner pa lang natin to. Sino kaya ang pinalad? Oh. So, nandito ka ba, Miss Arian Joyce? If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the hashtags below. So, hello po kay Noraline Sata. So, manifesting daw siya na mananalo sa raffle. Oh, let's claim it. Malay mo, di ba? So, let's wait lang for a few minutes kasi baka nandito si Miss Arian. Sabi ni Althea, pang ilan po ako sa winner. So, parang wala pa naman tayong napipick na Althea Marundan? Or baka nag-glitch lang ako? Hello, Miss Arian. Sa mga kakilala po si Miss Arian, i-mention niyo po siya. Hello po kay Noraline Sata. So, manifesting daw siya na mananalo sa raffle. Let's claim it. So, let's wait lang for ilang winner na yan. So, pamangalawa pa lang to. Ang ating first winner ay si Miss Lorraine Di Maonahan. And second winner, if nandito si Miss Arian, siya yung ating pang second winner. But if not, so we'll pick another. So, Miss Arian, are you here? So, I think wala si Miss Arian. So, let's pick another na lang. So, please standby po kayo sa ating raffle part. So, I'll pick na po another. Nandito po ba si Miss Rose? Hello, Miss Rose. If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the hashtags below for our J Talks. Then once na nandito ka, you will message the page kung ano yung school mo and your name as well as your GCash number para ma-claim mo yung prize. So, hello po. Miss Sheila Mendoza. So, nag-comment si Miss Sheila. So, Miss Sheila, umabot ka ba sa ating raffle? Please comment your name. Si Miss Rose. Hello, Miss Rose. If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the hashtags below for our Game of Yatok. Then once na nandito ka, you will message the page kung ano yung school mo and your name as well as your GCash number para ma-claim mo yung prize. So, hello po kay Miss Cherry Obejas from BCP JMA. So, hello po sa tabaga Best Link. Miss Sheila, if umabot ka dun sa ating raffle, please comment lang yung name mo and your school and mag-message ka sa JMA FB page with your GCash number. Hello po. So, let's pick another. Let's wait for a few minutes if talagang nandito siya. Yeah. May mananalo kaya na other JMO officers? So we'll see. So I will pick na. So fortunately, wala si Miss Rose. So I think another set of winner tayo. Si Miss Arian ulit. So I think wala talaga dito si Miss Arian. So let's pick another winner na lang. Looking forward na may manalo na JMO officer. Sino kaya yan? Or baka si CJ na to. Hello, Miss Bailosis. Miss Christine Bailosis, are you here? If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMakiatox. So, andito daw si Miss Rose. So, nanalo si Miss Rose ng ating raffle. So, siya na yung ating second winner. So, Miss Rose, please message lang sa ating FB page kung ano yung name mo, your school, and your official GCash number. So, please make sure na nakapag-message ka para ma-save mo yung prizes mo. So, thank you, Miss Rose. So, let's pick another. Hello, Miss Bailosis. Miss Christine Bailosis, are you here? If you're here, please comment your name. So, if nandito si Miss Christine Bailosis, ikaw ay considered as third winner ng ating raffle. So, if you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMakiatox. So, let's wait for a few minutes na lang. So, malapit na malapos ang ating raffle part and magko-closing remarks na po tayo. Thank you po sa mga nagstay talaga all throughout our episode today. Sana makita pa namin kayo sa mga next episodes ng JMakiatox. So, every Sunday, meron po tayong episodes ng JMakiatox. So, stay tuned na lang po kung sino yung mga speakers natin and kung ano po yung mga raffles na need yung abangan. So, stay tuned po sa ating mga PubMods and anything updates. So, let's pick another winner. I think wala si Miss Bailosis. So, this is our third winner. Miss April Guarin, are you here? If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMakiatox. So, let's wait for a few minutes. If wala talaga si Miss April, maghanap tayo ng another winner. So, I think sana may manalo talaga na other officers or malay nyo, kasali rin kasi ako dito sa raffle. So, baka manalo ako. So, nanalo si Miss Rose ng ating raffle. So, siya na yung ating second. So, every Sunday, meron po tayong episodes ng JMakiatox. So, stay tuned na lang po kung sino yung mga speakers natin. And kung ano po yung mga raffles na need yung abangan. Miss April, are you here? Stay tuned po sa ating mga PubMods and anything updates. So, let's pick another winner. I think wala si Miss Bailosis. So, this is our third winner. So, hello. Miss April Guarin, are you here? If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMakiatox. So, let's wait for sa mga kakilala kay Miss April, please mention her. Kasi sayang to. But if not, so we'll pick na lang another winner. So, Miss Rose, please message lang sa ating FB page ng other officers or malay nyo. Kasali rin kasi ako dito sa raffle. So, baka manalo ako. So, sa last episode po ng ating JMakiatox, meron tayong special episode. So, I hope supportahan niyo pa rin siya. So, nandun lahat ng bloopers or lahat ng behind the scenes ng officers or lahat ng bumubuo ng JMAC Yatok. So please support. So meron din po kaming mga upcoming events pa. So please always support JMA. So I think wala si Miss April Guarin. So let's pick another winner. So standby lang po kayo. Nandito ba si Mr. Joash Mojica? Sorry if mali yung pronunciation ko. So if you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMAC Yatox. So let's wait lang for a few minutes, then we'll proceed na to the last or next winner. Yung name mo, your school, and your official Gcash number. So please make sure na nakapag-message ka para mas... So yung nakakilala si Miss Joash Mojica, please mention him. Kasi sayang. So shoutout po kay Sir Don. Hello, sir. Thank you for supporting our JMAC Yatok Season 2. Or lahat ng behind the scenes ng officers or lahat ng bumubuo ng JMAC Yatok. So please support. So meron din po kaming mga upcoming events. So please always support JMAC. So I think wala si Mr. Mojica. We'll proceed na to our next winner. So sino kaya ang next na lucky winner ng ating JMAC Yatox raffle? So we'll see. Nandito ba si Mr. Joash Mojica? Malapit na. Nandito po ba si Nor Hidayat Dimagadap? Are you here? If you're here, please comment your name, your partner school, and use the official hashtags of JMAC Yatox. So sa mga kakilala sa kanya, please mention him. So shoutout po kay Sir Rito. Hello, sir. Thank you, Miss Rose. Dito yung abangan. So, malapit na. So let's wait lang for a few minutes. Thank you for supporting our JMAC Yatok Season 2. Nor Hidayat Dimagadap. So let's wait. If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMAC Yatox. Kung sa mga kakilala sa kanya, please mention him. So I think wala si Sir Nor Hidaya. So sorry. So let's pick another winner. So this will be our last raffle winner. So let's wait lang for a few minutes. Nandito ba si Miss Cherry Dilag? If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMAC Yatox. So we'll wait for you. If meron nakakakilala kay Miss Cherry, please mention her. But if not, we'll pick another winner. So this will be our last raffle winner na for this episode. So sa mga upcoming episodes natin, always tayong may raffle winner. So please stay tuned. Proceed na to our next winner. Sino kaya ang next na lucky winner? Ating JMAC Yatox raffle. Sabi ni Vanessa, ako na lang daw. Ako din, pwede bang ako na lang yung mananalo sa raffle? Malapit na. Nandito po ba si Nor Hidaya? So, if not, we'll pick another winner. So this will be our last raffle winner na for this episode. Si Sir Nor Hidaya. So I think wala si Miss Cherry Dilag. Always tayong may raffle winner. So I think i-lesson natin yung mga names na nandito and let's focus na lang dun sa mga nag-engage sa comment section sa ating last winner. So wait, let's edit lang. Kasi I think yung iba is umalis na kasi syempre medyo matagal din ang ating naging episode today. sorry. So let's pick another winner. So this will be our last raffle winner. Yeah. So let's wait lang. If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtag. So wait, let's focus lang. Kung sino yung mga nag-engage. So mga nasa comment section, please comment your name para ma-include namin kayo dun sa ating last raffle for this episode. Sabi ni Yari, palagay ng name ko 5 times. So ilalagay natin ang names ng mga nasa comment section. So para doon na lang tayo magbe-base if nandito talaga sila. So si Miss Anathea Cueto. Let's focus lang. Sino yung Miss Princess Nagamora, si Miss Claire Baldonasa. So, comment lang kayo ng names nyo dyan. Palagay ng name ko 5 times. So, ilalagay natin. Althea Marundan. Diba? Marami palang nag-aantay sa ating mga sa comment section. If nandito talaga sila. So, ilalagay ko yun yung name ko, syempre. And yung mga names ng ating mga PR people. So, save the best for the last daw, sabi ni Miss Althea Marindan. Malay mo nga naman, ikaw na talaga ang next lucky winner. Mga names na nandito, at let's focus na lang sa mga nag-i-engage sa comment section sa ating last winner. Si Miss Althea Marindan, sige. Kasi I think yung iba, is umalis na kasi syempre, medyo matagal din. So, ito na lang ba ang mga nasa comment section? So, save the best for the last round, sabi ni Miss Althea Marinda. Si Miss Angelica Ria Flor. Sige, dito ang ating mga co-officers. So, sali natin sila sa ating raffle. Miss Althea Marinda, sige. Si Miss CJ Evangelista, nandito na siya. Si Miss Vanessa Litam, so sorry, hindi ka pa pala nalalagay. Hindi ka pa ba nalalagay? So, I think ito na lang ang mga natitira sa ating comment section. Yan, si Miss Juliana. Si Miss Juliana Atienza. Si Miss Daniela Lubis. Miss Angelica Ria Flor. Sige, ito ang ating mga co-officers. So, hello, shout out sa mga nasa comment section natin na very active talaga and nagsusupport sa ating episode ng J Macchia Talks. Miss TJ Evangelista, nandito na siya. So, in a few minutes, magpipick na tayo ng winner for our last. I think ito na lang ang mga natitira sa ating comment section. Miss Juliana. Miss Anne Corinne Banaag. So, meron pa tayo palang mga other participants from our partner school. So, shoutout po sa inyo. So, hello, shoutout sa mga nasa comment section natin. Lalagay ko na yung last na name. Malay nyo, 500 pesos to or what? So, yon, ano kayo? Comment nyo lang yung name nyo. Very galante ang ating org kasi mayroon tayong mga raffle, pati sa mga susunod na episodes. Biglang dumami. Biglang dumami ang ating viewers. So, hello po sa inyo. So, thank you po sa mga partner schools na nag-take ng time para suportahan ng org or yung episode namin for today. So, I hope makita pa po namin kayo sa mga next episode ng J Macchia Talks. So, hello. Kapag ako nabunot, magre-review na talaga ako. Sabi ni Sir Warren Lastrella. So, paano na lang pag hindi ka nabunot, so hindi ka magre-review? So, paano na lang ang score mo? Dumami ang ating viewers. So, hello po sa inyo.
So thank you po sa mga partner schools na nag-take ng time para supportahan ng court or yung episode namin for today. So I hope makita ko
So, we are claiming na manalo lahat. Manalo, isa sa mga nasa comment section natin kasi very active talaga sila.
ako nabunot, magre-review na talaga ako. Sabi ni Sir Warren Lastrella, paano na lang pag hindi ka nabunot ko, hindi ka magre-review.
Mali ata ang name na nalagay ko. So, I think we're closing na our raffle today. Sige, last, lalagay ko na to. After this, we're picking na the last winner of our raffle.
So we are claiming na manalo lahat.
So, after this episode, don't forget po na magsagot ng ating evaluation form. So, your feedback is highly appreciated.
Mali ata ang name na nalagay ko. So I think we're closing na our raffle today. Sige, last lalagay ko na to. After this, we're picking na the last winner of our raffle.
Hindi ko nakita name ko sa list. Sabi ni Miss Noraline, nandito ka, Miss Noraline Sata.
So after this episode, don't forget po na magsagot ng ating evaluation form.
So, we'll close na after. If mananalo kayo, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtag of JMakiatox. Then, magme-message kayo sa ating Facebook page para i-claim. Comment nyo lang, message nyo lang doon your name, your school, and your official GCash number.
Hindi ko nakita name ko sa list. Sabi ni Miss Noraline, nandito kami.
So, we'll close na.
Sata. After this episode, don't forget po.
Sabi ni Miss Sohaina. Wait, nandito ba ang name ni Miss Sohaina? Ayan.
If mananalo kayo, please comment your name.
So, isa-shuffle ko lang to.
And use the official
Then, I'll
hashtag
hide.
JMakiatox. Then magme-message
So,
kayo
yan.
sa
Magpo-proceed
ating
na
Facebook
tayo
page
sa
para comment nyo lang, message nyo lang doon
sa
your
ating
name, your
last
school, and your
raffle
official
winner
number.
for this episode.
So, we'll close na.
So, yan. Game na. So, sino kayang mananalo ng ating last episode, ng ating last raffle winner? So, please engage. Mali nyo, mag-manifest kayo. Kayo na yung next.
Diba? Marami pa lang nag-aantay sa ating mga comment section.
Ayan! May nanalo na tayo sa ating last raffle. Nandito ba si Miss Vanessa Lita? If you're here, please comment your name, your school, and use the official hashtags of JMakiatox. And dun sa mga hindi nanalo, stay tuned po sa ating mga upcoming episodes dahil meron din tayong raffle part and mas marami tayong mga ibibigay sa ating mga mananalo sa mga susunod na episodes. So stay tuned. So every Sunday po tayo, 10 a.m. So after this, don't forget na sagutan ng ating evaluation form. Ko-comment po namin yon sa ating live stream.
Raffles. Nandito ba si Miss Vanessa Lita? If you're here, please comment.
Miss Vanessa Lita, if you're here, please comment your name.
And dun sa mga hindi
Comment your
nanalo,
name, your partner school, and use the official hashtag of JMakiatox. I think wala na si Vane.
mga ibibigay
Si Vanessa.
mananalo sa mga susunod na episodes. So stay tuned.
So,
So every
Miss
Sunday
Vanessa
tayo,
Lita, comment your name, your partner school, and use the official hashtag of JMakiatox.
na sagutan ng ating evaluation form. So comment po namin yon sa ating live stream.
Yeah, nag-comment na si Miss Vanessa Lita.
Vanessa Lita,
So, ang ating last winner for this episode is Miss Vanessa Lita. Miss Vanessa, please message the official Facebook page of JMA. Please message doon kung ano yung name mo, your school, and your official GCash number. So, make sure na after this episode, makapag-message na po lahat ng mga nanalo sa ating winner. Kasi, mabibigay na rin naman namin ang inyong mga prizes.
Yes, nandito si Miss Vanessa Leta. So sa mga hindi nanalo, okay lang yan. Meron pa tayo mga next episodes and may raffles din doon. So thank you sa mga thank you sa ating mga partner schools na nag-enjoy or nag-engage sa ating comment and nag-join sa ating episode. Sabi ni Miss Noraline Sata, isa pa. Next episode, we'll promise na mas marami pa tayong raffles. So, and that concludes our raffle part of J Macchiato. So, thank you for joining today's raffle part.
So, thank you sa ating mga partner schools na nag-enjoy or nag-engage sa ating comment and nag-join sa ating episode. Sabi ni Miss Noraline Sata, isa pa. Next episode,
Yan. So thank you all for joining us today. We hope you gained valuable insights and inspiration from this session. So keep striving for excellence and we look forward to seeing you in our future episodes. Stay inspired and keep brewing success. See you on our next episode, Marketistas. Bye.
Welcome to Hashtag Coffee, where every sip and every bite is a harmonious blend of flavors, from appetizers and pasta to refreshing drinks and coffee. There's something for everyone. Located in Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City, right in front of the Batangas provincial capital, Hashtag Coffee is the perfect place to unwind and let the rhythm of life slow down. Experience it for yourself, where every moment is filled with bold flavors and cozy ambience. Visit Hashtag Coffee today and let the harmony of flavors become your new favorite melody. J Macchiato Season 2 would like to thank its event sponsors for this episode. Hashtag Coffee Capital Site. RGE Construction and Supply Incorporated. We would also like to thank our partner school organizations. Junior Marketing Association Arasoft Nasugbu Chapter, Junior Executive Marketing Management Association PUP San Pedro Campus, Junior Marketing Association LPU Laguna, Junior Marketing Association NU Lipa, Junior Marketing Association Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa, Junior Marketing Association of the Philippines PUP Santa Rosa, Mindanao State University Main Campus Junior Entrepreneurship and Marketing Association, Bestlink College of the Philippines Junior Marketing Association. And special thanks to Funnel Goddess and Delight Digital Studios.